ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Da ki pongut ki long kemi na kasnong jalan teng ka baha papo ka right nong kendri jong ke hima khairim harengkat lang ka jing senran lang jong ki nong elam ka henyo trap National Youth Front Central Body but ka women's wing hagalai tri ubanai no pra arjar arpuway kila turpai ba sha ka office traikam jong ka power grid ka badan hanong ra shalong ban persya ka jing ai no objection certificate jong rang ba snong uba rar bastar nong kendri but ban dawa ka power grid bakade ban pensange no mardo ya ke project bantai ya ki tawa penyai boarding electric halor ga nongrem bakampat dan gajingnya ngotho jingmut hapo kasnong hagajingnya keren u manager jang ka power grid u ranjan bhola ula kular ban pensange eswa ya ke project barula ongru baun sa penbait ya gajing jurip lang na kalyang jang ka office power grid ki long kme na kasnong jalanteng ki nong yalam ka HNYF but ki nong song snong shwa ban shim ya ka no ka rai.
Yang jongi kini ngila pakhang sua mentah nadum tagasngi kila khang ke jingtre buat ke jingbu jongki hadu lasngi baar ngini poi hang tai ngila pensange namarba datang na benta ke jing le jongki kam sunong kam thau klem khot ya ke hiring biki ai ke NOC klem ke jingtip ya kini kilong kumi tena kaliang kilong kumi kila ai menjurlang mentaba lasngi baar ngin ya kendu ngin le ngina kaliang kaseng bat harengkat kinong snong nang tu ngiku abangin lek hadu haspot ngin pej hadu keno kataka jingdu jingsep jong kataka jing snayo to por grid te kai karai ngin sai karai la snibar menta kamut long kini kila menjurun pensange iswai kataka kam kenang ba kinhun kini kinong snong kiwan seni baplikan ratang da benta ka jing kwa ba urang ba snong klem percai dina kaliang jong kini kilong kami pi menjur am ya kata na kaliang jong kini kilong kumi ki persya halor ba kajing le menti urang basnong ba uklem pensaya kini kilong kumi baswa ban ai ke NOC uklem khot ya ke hiring te na kaliang kilong kumi ba pli kilai tristom bun kijing tho kilai hangi ki sengru te na kaliang jongi te ngibudin ya kani kakam ikwa ba urang basnong na do kwa ba kasnong katau kan sukan ba te haka simbaar ude banwan lang ban yo kajing sai
hoi ila ai irang basnong kang ba hapteng kecing objection mangi kilong kumi tiswa ban ai gani NOC tingila ai swa mangi ka kot saurang basnong ban pensange ya gani kacing ai NOC ya gani ka power ku tahi Ni persat nama ba ni kumba ong no hanong gundong ni im dakadap karyang di khamtam gani ka project kalong ka bahe te kalabam cakai cakarep cumi te tangkata hina mari du no te cakarep mar kumba ong no ngi im dakarep karyang ngi bus kur khun no dakarep karyang ka caka te kadai caka sini gitu tong ba long kala hap ka caka shinong jumi ki kinong shinong ka jalan teng ini persya ini kata ba ini day kinong shinong ini don kahap man persya teh lo kata kacing he te kala he hapi kata caka ko ngi rep pan ngi rep ubi ngi rep buli kin kong bangi ya dawai kata paduk belum rep belum te kong adu no kong kasngi ngi do men kan ya bangi ya cha poslar ngi keren ya kata hi bangi do belum rep belum bangi kinong kondong ngi imca na karep karyang ki khon jungi baro ngi boskul ngi kersian da karep karyang tapi yang cha jungi kong kadai karep karyang yang ngi na da ngi do ya ta karep karyang sano tengin len kalau wai ki khon jungi sano at poi deh aku menta asnem le dan kelok daw ki khon kim long skur mangi pen yarep khoj te menta ta gila ti bro to unar te rep tu te hacan tu unar te ngim no chure ben le yatre te ngila do em kalau rep lo rep ni ya wai kong de begini rep ngi ya sudor ya tu trai lum ki ong ki bet ka snong pakam trek te kong tu singa ong ya phi de benia ba ki ra ma snong ngi khot kim trek te kong manwan re ki trai lum ro ki ong pen bet ro urang ba snong re urang ba snong wat usngap umban de la kata kadau te kong ni poi hado kan ni de la kadau ba menti urang ba snong kin kong bangi la kren benia ya phi
Ranjambala General Manager from Power Grid, and the women being approached our office today. And they have their issues. We have discussed with them and tried to convince and remove all their apprehensions about the issues. And there will be joint survey on Tuesday, and we are confident that they will agree to the state of affairs and will allow us to carry out the work. This is a very important project of Power Grid funded by World Bank. This is a construction of 220 kV transmission line from Kiling Mangep Shillong. And we are paying them the compensation as per the confirmation from revenue authorities. So there are no such fears at all. It's decided by the revenue and the KHDC.
Now this
It's varying from 300 to 500 per square feet. Yeah, we are paying tower footing area as well as under corridor compensation. Yeah, already work is in progress, and it's a very important line. It's a 220 kV first line in Meghalaya state, and it will benefit the Meghalaya state at large. And the people will benefit, the voltage profile will improve, and the line is already complete. Only eight towers are left between this Mangep and Shillong section, and we have already completed the foundation work, and one of the tower erection has also been completed in this Jalanting village.
Okay.
Tuesday there will be joint inspection, and we are hopeful that we will satisfy them and complete the construction of this very prestigious transmission line for the Meghalaya state at the earliest. And at both sides, our Shillong and Mangep GIS substations are ready at 220 kV level, and soon I think we will hope that the power flow will happen and state will benefit at large.